Hey crafty people. Oh, I'm so excited. Welcome to a design tea project for ASC Supplies, and I used the beautiful Dream collection from Stamperia that you can purchase from ASC Supplies, and these papers are beautiful, shabby, lovely papers. I've created with them before, and you can't get them any cheaper than ASC Supplies. Check them out. Links in the description box down below. All right. So I use my my larger dies. This one's not a Spellbinders. The other ones are. I don't remember where I got this one, to be honest with you. But I did use my Magnolia, my brand new Magnolia Tildas. Isn't she stinking adorable? So I also use my new Spellbinders die here. And this is a sentiment. All the sentiments, all the paper, everything is from the collection. So I just did some layering, distressing. This is actually a cupcake wrapper. You can search eBay or Etsy for cupcake wrappers, and they'll come with these beautiful die-cut cupcake wrappers, and that's what I use. So I added a couple flat back pearls, colored up my Tilda. She pops up on this trim right here is separate from the pearls. I did go ahead and layer the pearls on there as well. And voila, card number 1. Oh, I so love these cards. Card number 2 is this sweet, sweet little Tilda. And these are like, I don't know, it's like Cirque du Soleil Tildas, kind of. I did put eyelashes on these. I don't do that all the time, but I did on these. And more layering. This is a retired Spellbinders die. And everybody always asks me about this one. This is another cupcake wrapper. Isn't it beautiful? These are a couple of Magnolia dies. These are my favorite Magnolia dies ever, ever, ever. A seam binding bow, and it pops up like that. So that's card number 2. This is a Paper Studio flower. These are Wild Orchid. The rest are Wild Orchid Crafts. And like I said, all the sentiments and everything do come in the collection. Okay, this is also from the same paper collection, only I used the sheets that only had pink. The other ones, obviously, I used ones that had blue, but you can make cards that only have pink as well. And I used that same die in the background on this one. Super love my Tilda. Crinkled seam binding bow with a heart. This one says Dream Big and pops up on this pretty trim. And this, I don't know what die this is, but this is also a die I like very much to fill in with my flower clusters. All right. This is my favorite. I just love her. She's so stinking cute. And then she's got eyelashes too. So this is a Spellbinders die. I got some flat back hearts up here. These are Graphic 45. I'm not as big a fan of these as I am of those. But they're nice too. Maybe they just didn't go well in this cluster. I don't know. Pretty lace here. That same trim is on that one. And this one says Laugh Daily. Isn't she perfect for a card that says Laugh Daily? Oh my gosh. All right. So those are my 4 cards. And there will be 4 more coming with this collection. I hope you enjoyed them. I love it if you tell me which is your favorite and why. Tell me what you think of the cupcake wrappers. I haven't used them in a while. And I just remembered I had them in my stash. So anyway, I haven't done Tilda cards in so long. And now, I'm going to be honest with you guys. I am like pumped about my Tilda cards. So pumped that last night I colored skin on all of these. And yes, there are Christmas ones. So there will be more Tilda cards coming. Next thing I do is I do all the hair. So tonight I'll probably do all the hair, and then I'll match them up with papers so I know what colors to color their clothing. And yeah, super fun. All right, happy scrappy day. Check the links in the description box down below. Promise you can't get Stamperia paper anywhere cheaper than ASC Supplies on Etsy. Bye, guys.